Amid the growing demand of vaccines and also as we continue to fight against COVID-19, well now the DCGI has given approval for 3 other medicines for COVID-19 and one of them being Molnupiravir, and we are here joined in by the MD of Optimus who has developed this particular antiviral drug. We'll be talking to him and know what exactly it is all about. So sir, Mr. Srinivas, you tell us how this is being developed and what is the complete procedure which is being used and how many people have been subjected to this particular in regard with the studies. How is the study carried out?
Yeah, I think when we are screening a compounds, I think we understand that after the phase 2 studies of MSD, this has become a very promising drug for the COVID, against the COVID virus. So we understand that the chemistry and all other things is within our purview. So we developed this product, the API and as well as the formulations. And after that we applied for the CT NOC and we got granted CT to conduct clinical trials in India. So we conducted clinical trials on the 1218 patients. And the results are quite satisfactory, so that's why we requested for the grant of license. So DCGI is granted an emergency use authorization.
So, sir, in regard with the DCGI approval, this has got just, as of now, it's emergency use restricted only. So, how would be the further procedure of your production? How would you scale up your production in this particular medicine?
Yeah, we will scale up based on the requirements. So currently we are, completing 1 or 2 batches to make sure that the product is available in the market. And depends on the situation, then we will try to scale up further. So we hope that generally India will be well within the control and it will be controlled. But by chance, God forbid, we should have a capacities and available of this medicine to the patients.
So do you plan to go global in regard with this particular medicine? So have you applied for any further approvals?
Yeah, actually this product we are working globally. We are working with institutes like WHO and WTO and UNITAID, and it's like we expect in the next 3 to 4 months we'll get approvals there also. Yeah.
So since a long time you have been working on this particular medicine, and as we have been seeing various variants of COVID-19 coming now, the latest one being Omicron, how effective is this particular drug? As we have been seeing that now that the government has given approval, how effective it can be, and now that we are also going forward for a booster dose as well.
Yeah. You can say that even the vaccines are still not, preventing the COVID-19 positive. So this is the first oral used. I think earlier we approved Favipiravir as well. But globally, this is the first oral even approved in the US FDA and UK MHRA, so even TGA as well. So we feel that even during the studies also it's shown significant improvements to symptomatic characteristics. So we feel that this will help people not to hospitalize or disease progress further.
So as you have been mentioning that the higher portion of patients achieving RT-PCR test on 5th or 10 days can...
Yeah. When we conducted the studies, after 5th day, many of the patients, most of the compared with standard care, they got RT-PCR negative. The rate is almost 97%. It is a 5 days course. I think 800 mg in the morning and 800 mg in the evening. So we should take 4 capsules in the morning and 4 capsules in the evening for 5 days. So 40 capsules is the whole course.
Any sort of adverse reaction of this medicine in the studies which you have done on 1200 people?
Yeah. During the studies, that is what I say that, we are not find any immediate adverse effects. But we need to study in the long run as, we got strict instructions when we get approval also. So we need to monitor further also. So how is there any long-term this thing?
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
So that was Mr. Srinivas speaking to us on Republic TV in regard with the medicine, the oral drug which has been given the DCGI approval. Well, now he states that the medicine has 97% of accuracy, and further they have been continuing the studies, and also they plan to go global with the approval of WHO. And in the next few months we will be seeing that Optimus will be going global in regard with the COVID-19 as we continue to fight against COVID-19 with number of cases being reported on daily basis. This is Anirisha with British journalist Chandra Sinha for Republic TV.